Cool. So I picked buying a chart. Loaded the ATR. I don't interest. Let me do this. Cool. Um. Okay. Yeah. This is the buying a chart. This is the forward chart, and yeah, we'll trade through that. It's like unitary bear market. Hold on, man. Hold on. Um. It's like when it looks like it's starting to turn now.
Just going down for a moment.
Uh, but I think the low is in. Oops. Yo! I'm sure that's dirty day. Dirty data. You see what happened with the HR and that volatility spiked.
Yeah, that's something else.
Yeah. And when the market was coming down, the ATR followed suit.
Yeah.
You see.
Yo. So price fell by 50%.
I think I'm sure it was dirty data. I don't think it fell by that much.
Oh, okay.
Okay. I have a golden cross at the back of me, and I have a breakout. I want to go in. Where should I place my stop loss? So you tell me where to place the stop or place the line, and you'll confirm, and then we'll place the trade.
So 5979. ATRS 13999. Then, okay. I think let's place the stop at 50.
At 50, 50,
Yeah.
950. Okay, here,
Yeah.
happy with that. Cool.
Cool. And then
And how many are buying?
507.
Yeah.
507.
I'm putting my Davis boxes.
Mhm.
Okay. Still happy with the stops?
Now I think let's move it a bit.
Okay, to where?
Lock in some of this profit. So at night, 65. Let's move it to 58.
58. So, so yeah. You happy
Yeah.
with that?
Yeah, I'm good with that.
Okay. Cool.
Oh man. Yeah, that was not a right move. That's all good.
So I want to buy. Where should I place my stop?
Just like, just like,
Remember what I said. Wait for it to break before you raise the stop. Don't rush it.
yeah, yeah, yeah. I think the profits will get into my head.
That's
Whereas,
another thing that you have to learn to manage. Um, from psychologically, you have to learn to manage psychologically, which is why it's not a good idea to intraday. Like, which is why which that emotion that you have right there is what makes intraday trading so difficult.
mm,
You see,
I
because
feel,
yeah, the cycle of trades is too short term, and you're watching these things at all times, so makes it a bit
yeah.
difficult. Yeah.
I
So
think
where should I
let's
place
place
the stop?
the stop at 56.
5, 6. So here.
Yeah.
Okay. And how many?
Buying 636.
636.
Yeah.
Energy, elevate, energy, ooh, yeah. So I'm using the ascending triangle. Oh, the simulator and the data ended.
Oh, I think it's the current date.
It's today. Well, let me. This means maybe it's the when the war started.
Oh no, that's December.
This is December, ne? I wonder, or I wonder, maybe it was interim results or something.
Yeah, but
Okay, let's pick something else.
it's a good time to buy.
Okay, let's pick a 15-minute chart so that we do not run out of data.
Yeah.
So this is always turn on. Yeah, I think this is wrong draw. Perfect. Let's try this again. Remember, don't be in a hurry to raise the stop, man.
Let it play out.
Wait for it to break out. Wait for it to break out. Yebo, 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 yebo. So sure, go. What's that? And Imagine today we're not like it with trends. Hey, but you
See
gotta
what
wait
it
for them,
does.
man. You gotta wait for them.
Wait for them to develop.
Yeah, wait for them. Wait for things to line up your way.
Yeah, yeah.
Gotta wait for these setups. Can't be buying in a falling market like this one, man.
Yeah, no, this one is. Wait, is this Rolls Royce the car?
Yeah, yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
Yo. John,
This one
this
is.
one, bear market, this one.
Uh,
We'll see when it gets to 108, it'll have a response because
mhm.
markets have memory. Looks like something is happening because we're starting to make higher highs, higher lows rather. Looks like something has changed. Uh oh. Uh oh. Oh. You see why you have to wait. You have to wait for them to complete. You have to wait for them to complete. Because otherwise, Chad, I think something is happening. Okay, something is happening here. Okay, pause. I go look at, let's say, a weekly chart
Mhm.
in our context. So I go to the high time frame to see what is happening there, to so that I can
Yeah.
arm myself and be ready. Um, can see that the 200 and the 50 are holding quite well, starting to bounce off. So that pullback looks like we at the tail end of it. Right. And then now we have a golden cross. I'm looking for entries. Okay, let's put it there. All right, maybe there. Cool. Let's put it there. Back to our 15-minute charts. There you go. Oh, so I want to buy. Where's my stop?
Let's see. 11256. TR is 0.593. So let's place the stop at 105.
Yeah,
105.
105.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. There. The
How
size
many?
is 381.
381.
Yeah.
Think you got cheated there. This one.
No.
Hey, hey, pause.
Uh,
Go back, go back, go back.
so what? It went to 76.
Yeah, think, I think you got, and you would not have been stopped out outside of that candle, but it's okay. Yeah, so I got.
Like,
But my experience with think markets, ne? So what,
mm,
what 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 you do when this happens, right? So you would go to what I do when something like this happens. I go to my trading view platform and see if the market is traded there, and I also have Standard Bank Iris, right? Where you can see the order flow. You can see the where was the low of the day. If the low of the day is different from the one in the platform, because how
mhm,
why exactly you know if the
mhm,
low of the day is not the same, right?
mhm.
That means I was hunted by the broker. I call them to say, hey guys, the market didn't trade at this level. So what the hell happened? So
Mhm.
what then happens is that they give me back my money and reinvest me for the trade, and then I jump back in.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So yeah, don't just when you get a price like this, go verify it elsewhere. Maybe on TradingView, or TradingView is a good place.
Mhm.
Right. Okay, so I wanna jump back in. Where should I place my stop?
Okay, so we're at 11588. Then TR is 1.2648. Oh, let's see. think let's place it at 105 again.
Oh, sorry, my guy. My bad. My bad. Look at that. 50. 50 still below. So not buying it. Not buying it. Maybe when it crosses
Oh, okay.
there.
Okay, cool.
I want to buy. Where am I placing my stop loss?
So 1.2630. 1. The price is 117.85. Let's see. At 105.
Yeah?
105 is good.
105. So here.
Yeah.
Okay. How many?
It's 157.
157. Let's go back to longer time frame to see how we deal with the situation. Okay. Okay. I'll go back to my 15-minute chart. Cool. Hey, markets have memory, man. They always remember. Always remember. Nice ascending triangle pattern forming there. Oops. Okay. Still happy with the stop.
Mm,
Oh, sorry, my bad.
yeah.
The stop is supposed to be here. You said 105, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, still happy with it.
And, yeah, that's all good.
It's still fine. Okay.
Yeah.
Still happy with the stop.
I think we can increase it
Two-way.
to, let's see, so at 126. Let's say 120.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. Okay. I'm still happy with the stop.
At 128. And let's go to 122.
122. Okay. So with a stop at 122, I'd like to add how many should I buy?
Cool. So we're at 128.65. Oh, wait, the balance is still the same.
The balance is 101,463. Yeah.
The ATR is 0.8971. Cool. Should you buy? I think you should. Let's place the stop at 123.
We want to raise it to 123.
Yeah.
So just to confirm, there on that red line. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
So 123. And then how many are we buying?
359.
120, 350,
59.
359. Sorry, my bad.
Yeah.
Gonna be
That's fine.
one shy, 9 shy.
Yeah. That's all good.
Still happy with the stop.
I think let's take it to 126.
126. So here,
Yeah,
somewhere here.
somewhere there. Yeah.
See if you get. Did you see the buy trigger on Cetrix 40
Mm.
on the daily chart?
Me yesterday.
Yeah. Did you? So yesterday we have a buy trigger on Citrix 40 on the live market. Um, still happy with your stop?
I think let's go to, where is it now? 130.
130. So somewhere here.
Yeah.
Okay. See good figure. Okay. Okay, with stops at 130. You're still happy with 130, right?
Yeah.
Okay, with stop at 130, how many should I add?
Okay, cool. Let me check. It's still the same. ATR is 1.0978. 0978. Price is 139.7. You need to add 209.
209.
Yeah.
Done. You don't know. Let's see. Still happy with your stop?
Oh no, let's move them to 135.
135. So somewhere here.
Yeah.
Okay. Still happy with your stop?
Uh, yeah, no, all good.
Still happy with your
Good.
stop?
No, let's move it to 143.
At this point, you want to move it to 143 or only here?
Because what one? Where is it now? 130. Let's move it to 140.
140.
Yeah.
So somewhere here. Somewhere here.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Looks like we'll find a nice one.
Oh, this is a hectic trend.
Find a good one. Once in a while, the market gives you one of these, man. Once in a
Yeah,
while,
and it's
the market will give you one of these.
over 7 days.
So with a stop at 140, I'd like to add how many should I buy?
Okay, cool. So we're at 147.63. 80 is 1,679. Uh, you have to buy 265.
265.
Yeah.
That was a nice one.
I
That
know.
was a nice one. That was a nice one.
That was something else.
Yeah, that was a nice one. Nice management of stops. I thought they were a bit wide, but nice management. I know I saw what you were trying to do there, trying to give them some room. I think the management of the trade was good. It's good. See, we when we started, we first picked up the bunch of losses, and then we
Hmm.
found that one trade. Because all you need is that one that will move the needle. So it moved the needle 60% in just this one position.
Yeah.
You see. So you
Okay.
gotta be
Okay.
patient for to wait for one of these. You gotta be patient. Gotta be
Yeah.
patient to catch one of these. Gotta wait for them.
No, that was a good one.
Looks like we have a nice ascending triangle pattern. Forming. We'll have something of this sort. Se ufike la kenyana kona. Something of this sort. Uh-oh. Maybe not. See, gotta wait for these things, Mchan. Uh, because if you are impatient, you jump the gun and take a trade before it actually completes. Because chart patterns morph, man. You think it's an ascending triangle pattern, sning ning, it's a rectangle. You think it's a rectangle, sning ning, it's a falling
Yeah,
wedge or
yeah, yeah.
something.
Okay, okay.
Then again, back to a rectangle, big back, sning ning, it's a symmetrical triangle pattern. These things morph.
Mm.
Looks like we traded that very well. We got adjusted at the top.
Yeah, no, that was a good one.
Okay, cool.
That was a great one.
Let me drop my entry to there. Okay, I want to jump in. Where do I place my stop and how many should I buy?
So it process 1.05, ATR 0.2737. Okay, let's place the stop at 137.
137. Um, there.
Yeah,
How many am I buying?
472.
137. 472. Wow, that stop was well placed, man. Nice. Good job.
Yeah, because
It just annoys me when it happens.
the sideways movement.
Yeah, when I'm caught in the sideways movement, I don't like it. I don't like when I'm caught in the sideways movement. Because I pay for the swaps.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Because I'm in a daily chart, right? Because in a
Mm.
15-minute chart, I'm sure it doesn't hurt that much.
But
Because
here you're paying fees.
yeah, you don't often carry trades. Still happy with your stop.
Yeah, I think it's all good.
Because now all it's doing is just expanding and compressing the range, expanding and compressing the range.
Yes, it's not breaking out.
Yeah, but it looks like it's making more higher highs than higher lows. So it's
Yeah.
the range is
Let's,
shrinking. You see,
yeah, then let's move the stop to 140.
to 140.
Yeah,
Oh, here,
yeah.
cool. You see, expanding the range again, compressing it.
Mm.
Expanding it again. I hate it when this happens. I really hate it. I'd rather just stop me out, and then that happens. I hate it even more. Yeah, I think
Trending down now.
yeah. I prefer I prefer stock to stop me out like quick, man. If you're gonna lose me money,
Exactly.
lose it very quickly. Don't catch me in that. Look at how long that range was, man. Hate it,
Yeah,
hate it, hate it.
yeah. I think we might be at the top of.
Yeah, we might be at the top. Looking at that. Oops. That's oops. Let's see if we get a higher high, a higher low. No congestion. Looks like the range is flattening. It's compressing.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, that's a bit interesting. Let's see what happens. Golden cross. So I want to jump in. Where am I placing my stop?
So it's 137.46.
Incorrect. Wait, let me wait for a confirmation.
Okay.
Oh, so I didn't like that breakout. I didn't like it at all. It was too. It's too shallow. There you go. I want that one. So I want to jump in. Where do I place my stop?
Okay, so the price is 140.17. ATR is 1.1. Cool. Let's place the stop at 132.
Yeah?
Actually, 130.
130.
Yeah.
So there. Somewhere there.
Yeah.
Cool. And how many?
272.
272. Still happy with the stop?
I think let's move to 135.
Okay. 135.
Yeah.
So here.
Actually, where do we enter? We entered at 140. I think let's move it to 142.
142. So here.
Yeah. All right there.
Cool. So I would like to add to this one. With a stop at 142, how many do I buy?
Okay, let's see 142. Price is 148.41. ATR is 1.1205. So you're buying 432.
432.
Yeah.
This looks very quite bullish.
Mm.
New market will remember that price.
Let's see.
Looks like your stop was a work of art. uh,
Stop that.
but, I think we can park it here. Um, so we back where we started, more or less. But generally
Yeah.
speaking, I'm not sure about the size. Maybe because it was a 15-minute chart, but those the volatility on the equity curve was quite wide.
Mm.
But I'm not too concerned about that because mostly they will be embedded in calculations. So, but the second time around, um, the second time around, um, you kept your stops nice and wide. I really liked how you managed that part there. Just hang on a moment. Sorry about that. How you managed that one day? You hit your stop quite nicely. Also there, man. That's I think you once from the pain, let's say, of getting stopped at by being too tight made you to be too wide. So what I need you to do now to be more closer to somewhere in the middle.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, you go, you were you were too tight, and now you're too wide. I need you to be somewhere in the middle. So another guideline that I use is market lows, right? Let's get
Mm-hmm.
rid of all of these things. Is market low. So let's say, for example, we're looking at that breakout there, right?
Mm-hmm.
When that happened there. So I'm like, okay, um, um, I want to place my stop loss at the most recent low, right? The most recent low would
Yeah.
be that one there, right? So at the moment that we hear, okay, nyabono, okay, um, uh, 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 um, I'm below the 50-day exponential moving average, but the market can try to check these prices out. So maybe let me there's a low too way too close by. So let me just for now move my stop away, and then if it starts to move in my favor, I'll then raise my stop loss. So instead of because I think you started here with your stop loss somewhere here around 130, 132, 135, right? When we entered there. When we, yeah. So, yeah, so that's how I'll do it. I look at the low. And then, as the market moves in my favor, if that level was broke, as the market moves in my favor, I'll then raise it to maybe there. And then when it starts to make a pause there, I'll come and mark this level as a potential place to place a stop loss because it's a market low and
Okay.
market is right away from it. And wait for that to break. I don't pull
Mm.
my stop loss before. I wait for it to break.
Okay.
Right? So at this point, my stop loss would still be somewhere here, just below these lows. And
Okay.
then I
Okay.
have this as a marker to say, okay, um, when the market breaks that 149 level, I'll then raise my stop loss.
Mm.
You see, and then I simply just wait, just a moment. Yeah, one. And I wait for that level to break. I don't rush into raising my stop loss, right?
Yeah.
And perhaps as the market starts to go lower, I lower what would trigger me to raise my stop loss,
Mm. Mm.
right? Almost like I'm lowering my entry level. So if that breaks, I'm raising my stop loss, my stop loss to now I change my stop. Okay, I'm saying to you. because that level was taken out. If
Yeah.
you see, manage it like that until I get taken out eventually. Then I get taken out there, which would have sucked because, man, look at the time I spent raising it there quicker would have saved me
Mm-hmm.
money. But then sometimes it doesn't happen like this, right? Sometimes
Yeah.
a stock consolidates for a while and then breaks and runs.
Mm-hmm.
You see, so yeah, I think again tomorrow we need to work on stops. Um, yeah, I think tomorrow we will continue working on stops.
All right. Cool. Cool. Cool.
Yeah, yeah. Just think about market lows, and just look at the market structure, and look for places where if the market goes there, I'm clearly wrong on the trade.
Mm-hmm.
You see. So yeah, we'll continue to work on stops. I think for the rest of the week we'll work on stop loss until I see that you picking you're getting better with picking stops, and then we'll move on to the next skill.
All right. Cool, man.
Yeah, and then you're welcome to trade. Remember, you opened the account, right? The one with thick markets.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So we have a buy trigger on Search 40. When it confirms using position size calculations, you can take a trade.
Okay. Okay. Cool.
You can take a trade. Use your 30 EMA as a stop loss. Calculate position size. Take the trade. And manage it, and we'll keep track. Before we jump into the simulator, we'll log into your trading account. See how things are going there. If you're making any errors and that sort of thing. So we're gradually moving into a live account because you can't be sitting with a simulator forever.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
so
Cool.
on one side, we're sharpening the knife, we're sharpening our eggs. On the other side, we're getting used to pushing chips on the table.
Okay. Okay. Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sounds good.
Cool, cool. Now, gents, let's park it here. Yeah, the video will be up very soon to those watching on YouTube. Subscribe if you're new. Hit the bell notification button. If you want to know more about the trading course or the trading coaching, email me njabulo at villagetrader.co.za. Otherwise, Maji, thanks a lot. We'll do this again tomorrow, and thank you for watching. Let's do this again tomorrow. Cheers.